Yo, what's up, everyone? And welcome back. So, in today's video, guys, I want to give you my prediction on Euro USD. So, I'm gonna do a top-down analysis actually on Euro USD. It's only pair that I'm gonna show you what I see on it. Yeah, so I'm gonna start my analysis on my daily time frame. So, on my daily time frame, we can all agree that well, actually in a correctional phase. I would take this thing as a correctional phase because of this one, it's an impulse, and then we know that the next one is a continuation or a corrective phase. But then I'm not gonna focus on the bias and the what. Let me just start my analysis. So if I were to tell you that what I'm seeing here, uh, it's a head and shoulder pattern like this, and then I think the price is gonna come to where it started the market structure here. Actually, it is a head and shoulder pattern, and then here it is our neckline. What if I were to tell you that I'm seeing a head and shoulder pattern here, but then I know that you are thinking about the head and shoulder, the perfect one actually. For me, I know that the price is not always gonna give me the perfect head and shoulder. So the whole of this move here, I'm gonna take it as a right shoulder. I mean that's a left shoulder, this one here, and this move, all of it, I'm gonna take it as my head, and then lastly this one is my right shoulder. So if I were to tell you that I'm seeing this thing, would you agree with me or would you disagree? But then remember, this is my analysis, guys. This is how I'm seeing this pair. So how I'm seeing this pair, I was on my daily time frame just to look at the market nature, market structure, and all such things. So now I'm moving into my 4 hour time frame with the idea that we have a head and shoulder pattern then. So from after doing that, we can see that this was the left shoulder, this was the right shoulder. So now the price, since it was pushing to the downwards, there are a lot of break of structures, a lot of them. So with what uh, happened previously, let me just quickly cancel these things, then try to analyze this one. If I can say we had an important level here, meaning the price left a footprint here. So look what the price did. Price came to this area here that it previously made a footprint here. So so what if I were to tell you that with the same mindset that I did on my daily time frame, that I see a head and shoulder pattern, what if I were to tell you that I'm seeing another head and shoulder pattern here? This is the left shoulder, like this. This is my head, and now the price is currently on my right shoulder, and then it's on my right shoulder in a form of a pattern. Remember, after impulse, there's correction. Now, with this continuation pattern, we're anticipating the next impulse. So let me show you how I will actually do this one, the analysis of this one. Okay, sharp. Uh, did marked my important area at the top there, and then I did so the price that it gave me a nice falcon structure, of which my third touch it has been met. Meaning, what do I mean by third touch? I mean that by the first touch here, second touch, and a third touch, and then you know that the third touch has high probability of pushing the market to the opposite direction in which it were moving, meaning the price was moving to the upside. But then with a third touch that happened here, it's more likely to push the price to the downwards. So if I'm seeing something like this, and then also uh, just want to cancel this thing to a clean analysis, and then I may take this one from here. Remember, I'm still on my 4 hour time frame. I do have a falcon pattern here, a nice falcon structure. And then if I were to tell you that I'm having a pattern within a pattern, of which is here, would you agree with me? Remember, guys, I told you before that a pattern within a pattern has high probability of playing out. Meaning, if for those who took like a sell position here, they had multiple confluences for this trade. So for those who avoided here, make sure that you get involved in the first continuation pattern. Meaning this one here, it's our first continuation pattern of which it is located within our bigger pattern. Our bigger pattern is this one here, right? So if things are like this, I'm just gonna highlight my continuation pattern here. I hope it's clear, this one here. So remember that I told you that we're on our this left shoulder, and then right now the price is on our right shoulder. This one it was the left, and this one it was our right one. So what if I were to tell you that I think the price is gonna push to the downwards? I'm gonna get involved actually on the breakout of this channel. My stop loss is gonna be above it. So if I were to take this position, I would trade with a ratio of 1:2. But then let me put this one a little bit lower. It's actually around 3 there. So it's a ratio of 1:3. If I were to put this thing here as my first target, but then let me just put it here. Start this thing safely in here, but then it doesn't matter. So if I were to tell you that this is gonna be my first target, of which the risk to reward ratio is balancing, it's okay to take this position, and then the other target would be this one here. So would you agree with my prediction if I were to tell you that with that mindset of a head and shoulder on a larger time frame, meaning on a daily time frame, I applied it on my 4 hour time frame, and then even if I were to move to 1 hour or 2 hour, I'm still gonna do the same thing. Would you agree with me that Euro USD has high probability of pushing to the downwards, or what? But then this is how I'm seeing Euro USD. So first of all, it's a what do you? It's a head and shoulder on a larger time frame, and then we have a nice Falcon pattern here on our 4 hour time frame. We have a pattern within that pattern on our 4 hour time frame, and then an we have a head and shoulder pattern, of which the price right now is on our corrective or on our continuation pattern. Price is on our continuation. This continuation pattern, I think, is the one that is gonna play out. Remember that after every impulse, there's correction. So now we need to be involved soon as the price takes breaks this continuation pattern here. But then overall, our target is gonna be here. Imagine if you were to take that position there, you'd be having a ratio of 1:6. You can make a lot out of Euro USD. But then remember, guys, this is my prediction. I don't know what do you think about it. But then for me, by just only applying a Falcon here, I'm seeing a sell position on this one. And then someone asked me if I can apply a SMC on this trade. Yes, I can do apply SMC on this trade. We do have a, let me try to delete these things. Just wanna focus on the current price and then see how will I apply a SMC. So with this one, it will require me to push to a lower time frame to see my break of structures there. But then let me go to by 1 hour. So on my 1 hour, currently I cannot apply a Falcon here because of we haven't broken this low here. You can see that we've broken it with a week, but then we know that we should only focus when the price takes out our previous low when it comes to the body of a candle, not the wick or the tail. So Falcon in, I mean SMC in this way, I'm gonna look at the way in which the price is gonna take out this thing or is gonna take out this low here, and then after, that's when I'm gonna consider looking for the order blocks that would be maybe somewhere around here after taking out this low here. Then that's when, let's say we got an order block, then our price taking out this low. I know that I'm gonna wait for a pattern that would happen around here. We know that the price moves in a series of impulse and corrections, or a series of when it comes to Falcon, a series of higher highs and higher lows on an uptrend, and a series of lower lows and lower highs on a downtrend. So this is how we'll be using both the strategies to capitalize on Euro USD, but then it is mainly or purely a Falcon trade. This one, it's Falcon trade. I don't wanna lie, guys. Yeah. So with this video, guys, it's only my prediction when it comes to Euro USD. Remember that this is not a signal. If you want real signals, guys, you can contact me, guys. Then inquire about the signals. I do have signals, and then I do have mentorship, guys. Yeah. So if you're new in my channel, guys, please subscribe into my channel. Help me to grow this channel, guys, as I provide valuable information almost every week, guys. Yeah. So I don't have much to say anymore, guys. Yeah, but then have a profitable week, guys. Yeah, this is my analysis to you, not a signal. But then if you take it as a signal, you are on your own, guys. Yeah. Cheers, guys. Cheers. I'm out.